Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi guys! And again, I have another video. I'm in process of this one. Naglo-loading pa siya. My God, shaking yung hands ko. Gutom na talaga ako. Anyway, I'm still waiting for this one. I think I'm gonna leave the house while this one is loading. I really hope that it doesn't stop in the middle of the process. Yes, kasi two times it failed on loading already, and then now this time is the third one. Every time they stop, sometimes it stops at 7%, and then sometimes it stops at 12%. Yun. 7 minutes and 12 minutes sometimes. Kasi yung video, yung video na yan, it's like 19 minutes of recording. So I don't know what's wrong with it. So hopefully maging successful yan. And I couldn't wait because I think it's gonna take like 30 minutes before it successfully uploaded. And yes, gutom na ako. And time check, anong oras na ba ngayon? It's 12:19. I asked a friend of mine to have lunch with her, and I told her we're gonna have lunch at 1 kasi bibili ako ng lechon. Yun nga, tapos kain kaming dalawa para masaya. Kaso lang hindi masyadong masaya because the challenge on this one is that she's gonna make a very spicy sauce. Anyway, with the lechon, it's so good with for us Filipino, we love lechon, and every occasions we do make lechon. And yes, we crave so much of like roast pig and us, especially the skin. My God, gutom na ako. Yes, and I'm ready. Sobrang parang masyadong maiksi yung damit ko, but I probably wear shorts underneath on it. And yeah, this one, I'm just putting my finger crossed for this one to upload by itself while I'm not here. So when I get here, I hope it's done. But if it's not, then I'll just do another upload later na lang. And then yes, so I'll probably go now. See you guys. Yep, I forgot to mention that my friend is in Valencia. I used to live there for like many years, on and off. And so I make a lot of friends in there. And now, yeah, I'm going there. It's like 15 to 25 minutes, or 20 to 25 minutes, depends on the traffic. That's how far it is from here to my place. And yes, I'm gonna stop in Letchon and then go to her place right after. And I'm gonna have lunch. So, see ya! Sige, bite na. Yeah. Sarap. Lahat kami sinisipon. Kaya it's a good idea to eat something spicy today.
Okay na po.
At ako ay ginutom na. It's for sale, oo. Kakain ako ng maliit lang naman. Maliit lang, sobrang liit lang. Liit lang. I just need a bite of the skin. Oh my god, so good.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Yo mga guys, yes, and I arrived na. I arrived already like a while ago, but my friend is not ready. She's preparing. There she is, and more of our friends are gonna join us to eat today. Maybe just one of, or maybe two of our friends. Anyway, kung sino yung makita natin, sige, kain tayo. Okay? And then, yeah, we're just waiting for it. And this is her baby girl. Ayan. And I asked Jane to grab a banana leaf for to make it as our plate for our food. Kaya yun yung banana leaf. Hugasan muna. Yes, I forgot to mention that I like wearing a hair extension, and this is like fake hair, diba? Because of course I have a short hair, and I have different kinds of extensions. So yes, you will see that when I use in some of my vlogs. I will use them sometimes. So yeah, waiting lang tayo. Okay, so let's start. To eat. Yeah, let's eat. Oh my god. Pero challenge lang to kanang na may gikoan. Shout out to Jovi Rivera. She ang tawag doon? Suggest to make a game. Yung hulaan ba dire sa kuan ba? Hulaan. Kapag di ka nakasagot, susubo ka ng samyang. 'Di ba? Mas masaya. Excuse me.
Nakakaon naman ko ato.
Lang kayo to.
Grabe ka sila mungawon, guys.
Grabe may dali siya. Grabe. Grabe. Ay, time up na Maxine.
This is what we call food is life.
Food is life, yeah.
Audio Jungle.
Oh my god. Yes, so we're done our lunch. Look at that. It's all empty. So we didn't finish all the rice, but we finished all the pork, the lechon, the pork, the lechon. Okay. And then yes, Maxine right here and Jane Rivera. I'm gonna put their Facebook link under my under this video. So if you wanna get to know her, get to know my friend over there, Jane, so you can just click on their Facebook page, and yes,
I'm excited.
you will see more photos of her and more photos of her. Yeah, so hopefully you like this video, and for more videos, please subscribe and click the notification bell for to get more updates about click and our next for our next vlogs. Yes.